Hello friends, I welcome you all in one more knowledgeable interesting video. Today in this video we're going to talk about one of the very important circular of Central Board of Direct Taxes. Yes, today in this video we're going to talk about circular number 15 oblique 2021 issued on 3rd of August 2021 by Central Board of Direct Taxes. Yes, so in this important circular, Central Board of Direct Taxes has extended some important due dates for filing of various online forms. The purpose behind issuing this relaxing circular by CBDT was that the income tax portal, as everybody of us know, that income tax portal is not working properly since 1.5 months, and because the portal is not working properly, so the utilities of the forms are not available. And as the portal is not working properly, so taxpayers or the assessees are finding lot of problem in filing of the form, and even lot many forms are still not available on the website. So let's see that for which forms the date has been extended. What are those forms for which date has been extended? Let's see and check out that what is the actual relaxation given to the taxpayer in extending the due dates for filing of various important forms by Central Board of Direct Taxes. So let's see on consideration or difficulties reported by the taxpayers. Yes, few of the taxpayers have reported difficulty, and this is the genuine difficulty that portal is not working. So lot many taxpayers are facing difficulty in filing statements, in filing forms at income tax portal, at new portal of income tax. The Central Board of Direct Taxes, an exercise of the power under section 119 of the Act. Central Board of Direct Taxes always issues a relaxation giving circular by using the powers as defined under section 119 of the Income Tax Act 1961 to extend the due dates for electronic filing of various forms. So let's see what are those forms for which date has been extended. The quarterly statement in form number 15cc required to be filed by the authorized dealers for remittance of foreign exchange for the quarter ending on 30 June 2021 under as per rule 37BB. The actual date for filing of the form was 15 July, which was extended to 31st July due to COVID. And because of the income tax portal, it has been again extended by this circular till 31st August 2021. The second is the equalization levy statement in form number 1 for the financial year 2021, which was required to be filed on or before 30 June 2021, which was extended till 31st July because of COVID and other circumstances. Now, because of this and by this circular, the date has been extended till 31st of August 2021. The statement of income tax paid or credited by an investment funds to its unit holders in form number 64D for the previous year 2021, which was required to be filed before 15th June under Rule 12CB, has been extended to 15 July, and by this circular it has been extended to 15 September 2021. The statement of income tax paid or credited by any investment fund or its unit holder in form number 64C for the previous year 2021, required to be furnished on or before 30 June, has been extended to 31st July. Now because of the circular, it has been extended to 30 September 2021. Now more or less all the due dates of these particular important 4 forms has been extended till 30 September 2021. Now see next what is there in the next part of the circular. Further considering the non-availability of the utility, yes, the utilities of the forms are not available because the portal is new. So income tax department has to launch new utilities of the form so that the new utility should be compatible with the new income tax portal. In exercise of the powers under section 119 of the Act, extend the due date for electronic filing of such forms as under: intimation to be made by a pension fund in respect of each investments made by it in India in form number 10BBB. The last date for the quarter ending on 30 June 2021, the last date for which was 31st July, has been extended to till 30th September. Intimation made by foreign sovereign wealth fund in respect of investment made in India in form 2 SWF for the quarter ending 30 June 2021, where has been the due date was 31st July, which was extended till 31st July, but the actual due date was 30 June. And now because of this relaxation giving circular, the due date has been extended till 30th September 2021. So this was all about the important circular of Central Board of Direct Taxes issued recently for giving relaxation, much awaited relaxation of various forms for filing at the income tax portal, because the income tax portal was new. So few forms are not available. If forms are available, taxpayers are not able to upload the forms, and utility of various forms are also still not available. So Central Board of Direct Taxes has extended due dates for these forms. If you have any query relating to income tax or any of the provisions of the income tax, you may ask the query in the comment section. Our team will try its best to reply to your query as soon as possible. If you have not subscribed, then please subscribe to the channel, and if you have really liked this video, please click on the like button. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Bye.